how work out like you somehow we're taught not to see ourselves in that light or we can be great couple we are great I wanna and honestly some of the things they long I'm aware of let's say ke batla ho explain a fela gore no I'm not intelligent kapa I'm just a person ke go ke monna mosotho fela you know and ke go okay this is very interesting. Why ha ke tlotla ke refera to in ho ba inferior kapo ke tlotla ke reference ke monna mosotho fela tjena and mohlala o mong hape ka nna bo bore like mohlala let's say you are my employer ke tlo reng o le kgwalaka ne meaning you are bigger than
superior
me
to me.
yeah you are superior to me and it's like okay vocabulary ga gona le yona e sentse e re isa tlase and I'm like okay perhaps yeah I mean it may have been invented ka nako e itseng but we even carry ourselves like and without realizing ke nagana gore some of those things di etsa gore le gona re keteletse continually re ikera ka tsela eno e leng gore etsa ga ke bona lekgowa of course ke tlonana ka tsela e itseng compared to ga ke bona motho a motse ke tlotla yeah I want monna mosotho fela you know